So I'm doing this video a little bit backward. Decided to take a motorcycle ride. It got up to about 55 degrees today, so I decided to chance it. Unfortunately, it was just like super wet because everything's starting to melt. But at least I got out there and was able to drive around town a little bit, hit up a coffee shop, and went to the bank. And that's pretty much it. I just came home and but take what I can get, I guess. The
last couple of months have been pretty rough. I can't really remember a winter that has felt like this. It's been hectic. And a few weeks ago, the Midwest had one of the worst storms that it's had in such a long time. It just hit everyone incredibly hard. And the result of that was feeling absolutely stuck. The reality of it is that I work from home. And on the weeks that I don't have my kids, I don't really have to leave the house. I do, but not as much as I probably should. So I've been thinking, for the remainder of the winter, what am I gonna do? I need something to occupy my time. So naturally, I started looking at motorcycles. If I were to buy a new motorcycle, what would it be? Very frankly, I don't look at a lot of motorcycle magazines or blogs or a bunch of stuff like that, so I really don't know a lot about what's out there. Or, better yet, what has been out there. But frankly, the only things that pique my interest right now are choppers from the West Coast and Japan. Stylistically, choppers are sort of the only thing out there that sparks joy right now. To each their own, but I don't like baggers, and I don't really like sport bikes either. I just find them boring. So where does that leave me? Well, it leaves me in a position to sit here at this coffee shop and research every aspect of choppers that I possibly could get my hands on. Researching hardtails, oil tanks, gas tanks, front fork extension tubes. But what I've realized is this is doable. This isn't rocket science. And for someone that is fairly mechanically inclined, like myself, this doesn't seem unattainable. I've got friends that can weld, I have tools, and I'm not a complete moron. Well, I guess that's to be determined after this project. So I'm doing this. I'm gonna go buy a Sportster and figure out the rest as we go. Now, I'm not planning to do a bunch of how-to videos about this chopper build, but I am going to bring you along with me. I think the content could be fun to watch. At worst, it's me making a bunch of mistakes. At best, it's me hanging out with friends, and it's entertaining. So you might hit that subscribe, like, and notification icon so you're included in the entire build series. As always, ride safe, stay curious, and enjoy the journey.